Hey guys, I'm taking a new direction on this channel and starting a blogging for beginners series. Yeah, I'm finally combining the two ways I make money online and will teach you all the tips and tricks I've gathered along the way. Now, I know a lot about blogging as it was my full-time job for a few years until I fell in love with YouTube. Then that became my focus and currently I have 4 monetizable YouTube channels with a 5th in the works. Sadly, my blogs have been a bit neglected, so it's time to dust them off and give them a new lease on life. And what better way to combine my two loves by creating a blogging for beginners series, so you can start blogging too. The blogging tutorials will cover everything you need to get started with a blog or website, and I'll be focusing on just a few popular platforms so it doesn't get too confusing. But why would you want to start a blog in 2019? Well, because it'll be yours forever, and once created, no one can take it away from you. Well, as long as you pay the bills. And I learnt this the hard way, as I recently lost my Facebook page after many years of updating, simply because the Facebook algorithm decided I wasn't worthy. So Facebook is dead to me, and yet my blogs are still around, getting traffic, and sending new subscribers to my channel. Yeah, did you know a well-written blog can provide free organic traffic to any project you might be working on at the moment? Yeah, that's the power of a blog. It works for you in the background, collecting traffic over time and building your audience. After all, no matter how you want to make money online, you absolutely need an engaged audience, and blogs are great for that. So things you'll learn in this series are how to start a blog or website, how to find website traffic, how to monetize your blog, and so much more. I'll even talk about ways to sell a blog business once you've established yourself online, if that's something you want to do. And each video will take you step by step through the whole process. Now, I'm not selling dreams here, but rather want to see you succeed in whatever you want to do. So I'll be there holding your hand every step of the way. If that sounds like something that interests you, then please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified when I put out new videos and don't miss any important lessons. But more importantly, leaving a comment and a like will help guide me to create the types of content you'd like to see. So feel free to ask any questions and I'll do my best to answer them. And of course, if I create a video specifically addressing your problem, well, I'll give you a shout out too, which is a great way to promote your business idea. Now, let's get started.